Does money seem complicated or unclear to you? Perhaps you believe that only wealthy or experienced people should work in finance. What if you could pick up the fundamentals in a matter of minutes? We will provide a clear and concise explanation of what finance is in this video. If you stay with us, you'll discover that it's an effective tool that anyone can use to create a better future. Well, what exactly is finance then? It's just the ability to handle your finances. It concerns your income, expenses, savings, and investments. You care about this, so it's not just for adults in suits. Why? Because you can stop worrying about bills and begin creating the life you truly want by having a solid understanding of finance. It is your secret to security and freedom. Let's divide it into 3 easy pillars. Pillar 1 is saving. Now let's discuss the first pillar, saving. The most crucial step is this one. Saving is just putting money aside for the future, rather than spending it all at once. Consider it the construction of your own personal safety net. You can use this money for major purchases, dreams, or emergencies. To ensure that it is available when you need it, you store it in a secure location, such as a bank account. It serves as the basis for your finances. Pillar 2 is investing. Let's now discuss investing, the second pillar. This is how you generate long-term financial growth. Consider it similar to sowing a seed. Your money has the potential to grow into a much larger tree over many years if you invest it in stocks or funds. It's critical to understand that investing takes time and patience. Additionally, keep in mind that all investments carry some risk, meaning that you could lose money. For this reason, it's important to learn and make wise choices. Pillar is budgeting. Let's now discuss budgeting, the third pillar. Simply put, a budget is a financial plan. It outlines the monthly allocation of your funds. For your needs, your desires, and your savings, you give every dollar a purpose. A budget gives you control by keeping track of your income and expenses. You can start achieving your goals more quickly and stop wasting money with this easy-to-use tool. Let's now examine how these 3 pillars interact. Your budget serves as your financial roadmap, but it assists you in locating the funds to contribute to your savings. You can then start investing for the future with some of that money once your savings are substantial. Your budget supports your savings, which in turn support your investments. It's a potent cycle. You have complete control over your financial life if you can master these 3 steps. Finance is therefore not a mystery. Anyone can learn this easy system. The 3 essential components, budgeting, investing, and saving, are now clear to you. You can create a more secure and promising future for yourself by combining them. You can take charge of your finances. Begin now. Please support our channel if this video was helpful in your understanding of finance. To ensure you don't miss what comes next, hit the like button, subscribe to Monetive for simpler guides, and enable notifications. What aspect of money do you want us to explain? Tell us in the comments section below.